Salmon, a superfood that boosts your brain, helps you think better, and fights Alzheimer's disease. On-screen text. Salmon, especially the kind with lots of healthy fats, is known as a superfood for your brain. It's super good for you because it has special fats called omega-3 fatty acids. The most important ones are called DHA and EPA. These fats are like building blocks that keep the cells in your brain healthy and strong. Our bodies can't make enough of these fats on their own, so it's really important to eat foods like salmon to help our brains work their best. DHA, one of those important omega-3s in salmon, is like a building block for your brain cells. It helps the outer layer of brain cells, called membranes, to be flexible so messages can travel quickly between them. This quick communication is really important for learning new things, remembering things, and figuring out problems. EPA and DHA also act like tiny firefighters in your brain, protecting it from damage as you get older. Studies show that people with more omega-3s in their blood have a larger hippocampus, a part of the brain that's super important for memory. Eating salmon regularly can make you think faster, remember things better, and keep your brain sharp. One of the best things about salmon is that it might help prevent or slow down Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's is a disease that makes it hard to remember things and think clearly as you get older. It happens when harmful stuff builds up in the brain and damages brain cells. The omega-3s in salmon can help fight against this damage in a few ways. First, they can reduce those harmful clumps that build up in the brain. They can even help clear out the ones that are already there. Second, they act like firefighters again, reducing inflammation in the brain, which is a big problem in Alzheimer's. DHA and EPA are like superheroes, calming down the immune cells in the brain that can cause trouble in Alzheimer's. Third, they help your brain make new connections, which is like learning new things and making your brain stronger. They do this by boosting a special protein called BDNF, which helps brain cells grow and stay healthy. More BDNF means a stronger brain that's less likely to develop Alzheimer's. Even though there's no cure for Alzheimer's yet, eating salmon regularly can help manage the symptoms and slow down the disease. Here's how salmon can help. First, it encourages the growth of new brain cells, especially in the hippocampus, which is the memory center of the brain. This helps make up for the brain cells that are lost because of the disease. Second, it improves blood flow to the brain. Think of it like clearing traffic jams in your brain, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach the brain cells easily. The omega-3s in salmon are like traffic controllers, making sure everything flows smoothly. This is really important for keeping the brain healthy, especially in people with Alzheimer's. Third, salmon helps manage other health problems that often come with Alzheimer's, like heart disease and diabetes. It's like a multitasker taking care of different aspects of your health at the same time. By keeping your heart healthy and blood sugar levels in check, salmon indirectly supports brain health too. Besides those amazing omega-3s, salmon is packed with other brain-boosting nutrients too. It has vitamin D, which is like sunshine for your brain, helping it grow and stay protected. It also has selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects your brain cells from damage. And don't forget the B vitamins in salmon, which are important for keeping your brain sharp and focused. Lots of studies have shown that eating foods rich in omega-3s like salmon is really good for your brain. For example, one study found that people with high levels of omega-3s in their blood did better on thinking tests and had healthier brains as they got older. Another study showed that people who ate fish regularly, especially salmon, were less likely to develop Alzheimer's. And another study found that omega-3 supplements helped improve memory in older adults who were starting to have memory problems. It's also important to think about how salmon farming affects the environment. Choosing sustainably farmed salmon is good for the oceans and makes sure we'll have enough of this healthy fish in the future. Sustainable farms try to reduce waste, use fewer chemicals, and raise salmon in a way that's similar to how they live in the wild. This helps keep the oceans healthy and reduces pollution. When you choose sustainably farmed salmon, you're helping to protect all the different plants and animals in the ocean. A healthy planet means healthy food, which is good for our brains and our bodies. So by taking care of the environment, we're also taking care of ourselves. Look for labels that say, sustainably farmed, when you buy salmon. It's a simple choice that makes a big difference for your health and the health of our planet. To get the most benefits from salmon, try to eat it at least twice a week. Wild-caught salmon is usually the best choice because it has more omega-3s and fewer unhealthy things. Grilling or baking salmon are good ways to cook it because they keep all the healthy nutrients intact. So, remember, salmon is a nutritional powerhouse for your brain. Its omega-3s help your brain cells stay strong, improve your memory, and protect you from Alzheimer's. Make salmon a regular part of your diet, and you'll be giving your brain the nourishment it needs to stay healthy and sharp for years to come.